So take a call what so those are the dumplings. But I know what number but take nice to take a box in. Hello my people, hope you're doing okay. Welcome to Her Name is Wild. Welcome to my channel, a channel that inspires you to go back into your villages and carry out commercial agriculture. If you are interested in farming videos, please consider to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so that YouTube notifies you when I upload more videos. Guys, we are in transit from the rainy seasons to the hot seasons, guys. So during transitions of different weather, we experience different diseases at the farm. Now we are going to treat some of disease. There is an outbreak of some of disease in my young goats. It is not so much heavy, but it's there. We don't want it to spread it. Remember, off spreads at a very quicker speed. So guys, today we are going to treat off disease. We have like 4 young kids that have off. We are going to treat the off disease. We are going to also deworm the goats. Now, gone are the days that off disease was not a problem, guys. Nowadays it is a problem, and there is a vaccine for it, guys. So the other time we used to treat it and it would not be so severe, but now if you don't know how to treat it, it will be so severe, and it also calls for vaccination, guys. So we are going to treat off disease and also deworm the young ones. Remember, you must deworm the young ones every after 2 weeks. So we are going to deworm the young ones and also treat the off disease. That is where we keep our salt in your block. So this is the exercise. The ones who finish, we are taking them out. We are deworming this size, and even that one younger than that one. All that size, we are all deworming them and treating off disease. After, we shall also deworm the sheep. The sheep are there waiting. So this is what we are doing right now, guys. And there is an outbreak of worms in the young goats. If you don't deworm, you are likely to get a problem. So we are carrying out some checkup. We see that one with off disease, we treat. That one without, we give what? We just deworm. Yes, every after 2 weeks we deworm our babies. All that size. No, I am deworming. So this is the exercise, guys. And after deworming, we are going to remove that water. So we are going to remove that water. After deworming, you must remove the water. If you leave the water there, then after they have dewormed and they come and take the water, the medicine won't work, guys. So deworming is one thing and deworming right is another. So that is what we are going to do. We shall remove the water. We leave the salts. So we are deworming them. Then they will take the water later on after some hours. Even this size, we are going to deworm. But this one has off disease. Bugenda buona oba tebuona oba temunamu waddaga. Okay, kale. Even that one that is beginning, we are going to also give some pen strip. So we treat these the off disease with pen strip. Yes, we are treating with pen strip, but according to what I had in the market, as I was buying the medicines, I was told there is a lot of fake pen strip, guys. Watch out for that. There is a lot of fake pen strip. You can be using the pen strip when it's not working, and you think the problem is with the pen strip not working on your issue, but it might be the fake medicine that you bought. So for us, we've tried to buy the pen strip of Holland, and that is what we are using for this of disease. It is slightly expensive than the other pen strip, but we are trying and we see. Your dewormer or what? Of course, it's a warm side. Okay. So we are deworming. We have different dewormers. Pako your warm side. Move. So we are completing this one. This is warm side, and you have the other one. This is what? This is Nielsen. Nielsen Plus is recommended for those animals that it is safe for young animals, it is safe for pregnant animals and lactating animals. This Nielsen, that's why we use it. We are using it because some mothers have just gotten pregnant, and it is also safe for the young ones, guys. Yes, we've used it and we've not gotten a problem with it. So those ones who tell you that don't deworm pregnant goats, there is medicine for pregnant goats. We've used it so far in our herd, we've not gotten a problem. If you get a problem, first consult your veterinary doctor. But for us, we use it for the young ones. Yes, we also have our bafasa. We keep on alternating these dewormers, guys. So this one is also finished. We also use it, our bafasa. So we alternate. If we use our bafasa this time, the other time we use warm side. Then the other time we should use Nielsen, depending on the condition of the goats. If they are pregnant, and if they are pregnant, are they just begin in the early stages or they are in their late stages? It also matters, guys. So alternate your dewormers for effective results. Yes, alternate your dewormers for effective results. So deworming is one thing and deworming right is another. It's the same as spraying, guys. Most people say they spray, they deworm, but how do you do it? Do you ever alternate? That thing of saying, for me, liver fast diamond is the only one that works for me. Then you use that one for ages without changing. You are likely to get problems. So we are deworming. The other time we used another dewormer, and now we are using warm side. Yes, so after 2 weeks we shall also use nails, and then after 2 weeks then we use another one. That is how we do our deworming. Same applies to our spraying, guys. I think that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Her name is World. Please consider to subscribe down below if you haven't, and share my videos, guys, and comment down below. Let's have a conversation, guys. Thank you for watching. Her name is World. Bye.